Welcome friends, today I'm going to show you inside a modern cigarette manufacturing factory. If you're excited to see how it all works, hit the like button and let's get started.
Grow the tobacco leaves carefully, harvest them at the right stage, and then prepare them for drying and cleaning before they go to the factory.
Tobacco production begins with seedling preparation. Seeds are grown into young plants, monitored closely, and then transplanted into the field, where careful planting ensures strong and consistent growth. Farmers carefully monitor soil, water, and climate to support healthy plant growth. Each field is managed with precision to ensure consistent quality across all plants. Daily care at the farm stage plays a major role in the final product's quality. Strong plants grown here form the backbone of the entire manufacturing process. Once the leaves have fully matured and dried, they are ready for harvesting. Workers carefully cut the dry tobacco leaves by hand to avoid damage. Each leaf is handled with care to preserve its texture and quality. Only properly dried leaves are selected for the next stage of processing. This step ensures consistency before the leaves move further into production. After harvesting, the leaves are gently heated to begin the curing process. Controlled heat helps develop flavor while reducing excess moisture. Temperature and airflow are carefully monitored throughout this stage. This process prepares the leaves for further refinement. The cured leaves are then steamed to soften their structure. Steaming improves flexibility and prepares the leaves for processing. Moisture and heat are balanced to maintain leaf quality. This step ensures uniform texture before drying. After steaming, the leaves are slowly dried under controlled conditions. Drying removes excess moisture while preserving leaf integrity. Even airflow ensures consistent results across all batches. Once dried, the leaves are ready for mechanical processing.
Here in this factory, we start with fresh tobacco leaves, heat and steam them, dry and blend them carefully, roll them. The central depot shipment needs to go out by 2.
Understood. We'll stage it right away.
At this stage, different tobacco leaves are combined to create a consistent blend. The leaves are carefully mixed to balance texture, moisture, and quality. Grinding machines then process the blend into a uniform form. This controlled grinding ensures even size and smooth flow during production. Once mixed and ground, the tobacco is ready for cigarette manufacturing. At this stage, samples of the processed leaves are taken for inspection. Workers check texture, moisture level, and overall consistency. Only leaves that meet quality standards move forward in the process. Sampling helps maintain uniformity across every batch. This step ensures controlled quality before full-scale production continues. Dried tobacco leaves are fed into high-capacity rolling machines. The machines process large volumes with precision and speed. Workers monitor the flow to ensure smooth and consistent operation. This stage transforms raw leaves into a production-ready form. Once production is complete, the cigarettes move to the packaging line. High-speed machines pack the cigarettes with precision and consistency. Each pack is sealed to protect quality and freshness. Automated systems ensure uniform packaging across every batch. Finished packs are now ready for storage and distribution. After distribution, the finished packs arrive at retail stores. Shopkeepers arrange the products neatly for customers. At this point, the product is ready for sale.
Thank you. That's all for today.